Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
On a regular wood frame that's already there?
No. You asked if you, so we're talking about fire-rated doors, and you first asked if they can be trimmed. Yes, they can within a very limited amount. But fire-rated, so when you do a fire-rated door, the door is not fire-rated. The entire opening is fire-rated, meaning the wall, the frame, the hinges, the door, the kick plate, the lock set, the closer, everything must be compliant. Assuming that your existing frames are not fire-rated, while you could order a fire-rated wood door, the opening's not fire-rated. It would, it's the least common denominator type of logic.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So how is that addressed if I need fire-rated doors with what you have?
You order everything that's compliant with that requirement.
Oh, okay. So what does what I'm looking at now for the door does not include the frame?
I'm not sure what you're looking at.
I'm looking at part number RNB-FD21070.
Yeah, that's definitely the door only.
And I can buy a metal frame to put that in?
You can, and you'd want to use a metal frame because it would be so much less expensive than a fire-rated wood frame. What's the rating on the opening?
90 minutes.
Okay, sure. Yeah, you're going to want to do, when it comes to fire-rated, steel is always cheaper for both the door and the frame, but a wood door is not that much more money.
And it would look a lot better, probably.
Exactly. It's your office. It's not the back of a strip mall.
Exactly. How much does the frame cost for that door?
Depends on the requirements, but probably about $200.
Okay. And it says the door, everything ships in 25 days. Is that an accurate?
For the item that you're seeing there, the answer is yes. I probably have doors in stock. The price structure is going to change because we inventory that material.
Does that mean it goes up or down in pricing if it's in stock?
That would mean it goes up. Yeah, definitely up. So if the lead time is okay, then there you go. You're in good shape. Some people say, well, I really have I need to get something in a couple of weeks, not 5 weeks. So that option is there as well.
Okay, so it says 25 days. Does that mean the price goes up in 25 days, or I'm not clear on that.
That's the lead time, 5 weeks, 25 days of the door you're looking at.
Okay. And if my contractor, I'm an old man, so I'm trying to figure out how to. So I have my contractor either look at the website or call you and go over the list of different. It's going to be a total of six doors.
Yeah. I mean, my name is Richard. The fella needs to order doors. If he makes a living doing this, he'll call and he'll know exactly the answers to the questions that I'll ask, and it'll be,
And how much should I allocate to? It's going to be shipping from your location to New Haven, Connecticut. How much should I approximately budget for shipping?
About $1,000.
For 6 doors?
6 doors, frames, and hardware. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Any other questions? And so I have the option of having it pre-drilled. Is it pre-finished?
It can be, yeah. For an additional cost, it can be.
Okay. Does that must add to the lead time?
Not substantially. Not substantially. It'll be cheaper than what you could have done locally. It'll be far superior to what you could, meaning your painter. It'll be far superior.
Plus, it must be all sprayed, right? I mean,
well, it's way beyond spraying. It's way beyond that.
Oh.
That technology came out probably 15, 20 years ago, where it's done on it's basically an assembly line. So it'll be the best caliber of finish you can get. It will be not nearly as expensive otherwise, and the warranty is really in place when you have the factory finish it. Because sometimes people have trouble with warranty on doors, which hardly ever happens. But one hook or one noose that they hang us with, so to speak, is, well, that finish was inadequate. You didn't finish it properly. The door warped. Sure, you didn't finish it. Which doesn't really happen, but it can. It's an exposure to risk.
How much does the finishing add to the price?
It depends on what you want, but for just plain Jane clear, it's about $60 a door. You're
right. No painter could do that.
No way. No way.
And probably not for the same quality. Okay. Do you work on commission, and what's your name again? The reason why I ask is so that the contractor's always calling the right person here.
Yeah, my name is Richard. Yeah, I mean, the answer is no to that question, but the fact of the matter is I'm the door guy in the business. So,
okay.
You could talk to anyone, but they'll refer you back to me because we have separate area of expertise within the company. You happen to get the guy on the phone that this is me.
I have a furniture store, and I get a lot of freight delivered here. Does it make more sense to have it delivered to my business or directly to the house?
Oh, I've definitely thought that you're going to get it to a commercial location. A residential address is going to really ping that cost pretty hard.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll want it coming to your place of business.
Okay. And what are your hours?
Well, I'll be here till I'm 90. But I'm normally here 8 till 5, Eastern. Saturdays, I can usually be reached.
Okay. Okay, fantastic.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.